Alright guys, so today I will be teaching you how to develop a Bitcoin investment website with automated deposit and automated withdrawal. That is to say, withdrawals and deposit is all automated, right? And for you to have automation in your Bitcoin investment website, we are going to be using a wallet called Coinpayment to connect this Bitcoin investment website so that people can come into your site and invest in your Bitcoin investment website automatically without you having to do any hard work of trying to approve people who invest, approve withdrawal, approve investors and all of that. The process is seamless and the process will be automated. When people invest, they will automatically be redirected to pay into your Bitcoin wallet or any wallet of your choice, and you have the ability to use any number of wallet you want to use. And also when they want to withdraw, they'll be able to place withdrawal and automatically their wallets will be credited, right? So this kind of website you can charge between 200k to 500k or even 1 million naira to develop this kind of website. And I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to develop this kind of website in just 1 hour. So before you develop this kind of website, you have to purchase a domain name and hosting, right? So I highly recommend you that you purchase domain name and hosting from Namecheap. The reason is that Namecheap, have some of these add-ons to make all of these sophisticated script work very, very, very well for you. As I always recommend Namecheap, right? So all you have to do is just go to namecheap.com. Just go to namecheap.com and look for a domain name that you want to use. You can have domain ideas by coming to site like Namelist. Can have domain idea by coming to site like Namelist, and you can say Bitcoin investment. So here we give you a lot of ideas about names that you can actually give to your website, professional names, because the name you also give to your website, you can say bitcoinreserve.io, Slatcoin, you can use it as Slatcoin. So I like that. So I can come here and say Slatcoins. So let's just let's like Slatcoins.com. So you have to tweak the name, to make sure that the name is available, because the name might actually not be available. A lot of people are using that name list and they must have collected that name. So you have to tweak it. So you see what I did now? The name is really, really available right here because I just tweak it, and you can see that the name is available for just how much? $8. So you can just add it to cart right here, and when you add it to cart, the next thing you have to do is go to hosting, go to shared hosting, and you buy this shared hosting. So you just click on get started, and you click on get started, right? And you add to your cart and you go ahead and check out and purchase. So $27. Can you see that? Go ahead and purchase this, right? So for the purpose of this tutorial, I've already purchased the domain name and hosting. So when you purchase the domain name and hosting, details will be sent to your email, and you are just going to land in your cPanel. You have to click on the link sent to you, enter your username and password, and you're just going to land on your cPanel, right? So when you land on your cPanel, the next thing you have to do is to locate the word File Manager, right? So click on File Manager. So click on File Manager and you will land in the File Manager, right? Then you have to go to public_HTML, right? So your files need to be uploaded into public_HTML. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to create, I'm just going to create a folder inside my public_HTML, and I'm going to work with that folder because this domain name is not purchased for this purpose, right? But for you don't need to create any folder. Just upload your domain name directly to your public_HTML. So I'm just going to call this CoinWeb. So I'm just going to click on this folder and I'll say CoinWeb, right? So I'll give it that name, CoinWeb. So this is the folder I'll be working from, CoinWeb, right? So I'll just double click on it to open it. Then I'm going to upload my Bitcoin investment website script. So I'll just click on show files. Then I'll go to my desktop. So this is the folder. So everything here, I'm going to give you access to it. So after this training, I'm going to tell you how you can get access to this file that you are going to use. With these two files, you are good to go. So I'll just upload this file right here. So the file is just about 44 megabytes. So it's not going to take you a long time to load. So all you have to do is just relax and ensure that that particular file is loaded on your cPanel. So I'm going to give you access to this file at the end of this video. I'm going to tell you how you can get access to these files and use these files. All right, so you see the file has been uploaded and it has shown green. So make sure it shows 100% and it shows green. So I just click on this link to go back to webcoin. Can you see that? So I'm just going to right click and then I'll say what, extract. Then I'll click on extract files. All right, so now click on close. Then I'll just click on reload. So you see all my files have been uploaded into this folder called what, Coinweb. Can you see that? Coinweb. So if I go to my domain name /Coinweb, I'm just going to access this website. So this is my domain name. This is my domain name right here. So I'll just put my domain name here and do something like Coinweb. So that's the name of my folder. So I'll do Coinweb. So let's see if that domain, that site will be. Oh, awesome. Can you see that? Can you see that? The site automatically as you can go to what about us. So you see the about us. Can you see that? Then I go to the rules. So go to rules. Can you see that the rule is a very, very sleek website. So you see that in less than 5 minutes I've been able to upload this website. Can you see that? Can you see all of that? Go to contact. So let me go back to my home page, right? Can you see that? So you see the plans, deposits, you see the plans. Can you see all of that? And it has it has a link to Telegram channel. So for those of you that have Telegram channel, you can just quickly put this your Telegram channel here and connect this. So the next thing we're going to do here is now we are going to connect the database so that our login and sign up are going to work. So that we have this database error showing here connected to the database, then we have to upload the database information. Then we'll start testing how this site works. So you can see that in the next in less than 1 hour you can get this site running. So let's go back to our file manager. So for you to connect the database, you have to go back and create a database, right? So you have to create a database. There is a database that connects the site. That is why you'll be able to interact. That's why you'll be able to invest. That's why you'll be able to automate the process. So let's go back to our file manager. Then let's just click on database. So you search for database. So you click on my SQL database wizard, right? So you click on that. Then let's say CoinWebDB. So then you click on next. Then create a user, CoinWeb user. Anything you like, just give it. So then you click on password generator. So you copy this password. So this password you have to copy it and keep it on the notepad because we are going to need them for the connection, right? So just keep this one here. Then I'll click on I have copied, then I'll click on use password. So then I'll click on create user. Then I have to also copy this information right here because we also need them. So we just copy that information and put that information right here, right? So I'm going to click on all privileges. Please, this is a very important process. Very important process. You have to get this right. Else your script will not run. Then I'll click on what next step. Awesome, awesome. So let's go back to our home page. Then let's go to what PHP My Admin. So you go to PHP My Admin. PHP My Admin will allow you to upload the database information, right? So let's open PHP My Admin. Awesome. PHP My Admin has been open, right? So if you can remember the database name we created just now, it's called Coinweb. You see it's appearing here. So when you create a database, the database is going to appear here. So I'm going to click on Coinweb right here. Then I'll click on what? Import. So I'll click on choose file. Then I'll click on show all files. So this is the database information. It's an SQL file. So I'll just upload it. Don't forget, I'll give you access to this file at the end of this training. I'm going to tell you how you can get access to this file so that you can reuse this file, and this file can be used over and over and over again. So it's not for you to use in one website, you can use it in multiple websites. So the database information has been uploaded. So now let's go back to our file manager. This is our file manager, and try to connect the database, right? So these are all our files. So let me just reload one more time. So now the first connection you have to do here is what you see is a file called con.php. So you have to right click on this file and click on edit. Can you see that? So these are the database information. So let's replace them with what we already created before. So this is the password. I'll copy this password, and then this is the password right here, and I'll place it right here. Can you see that? So I'll copy this user. So when you are copying, please don't make any mistake, don't copy space. So this is the user here. Copy this user, then I'll paste it right here. And this is the database. Copy this database right here, and I'm going to just place it right here. So can you see that? So I'm going to just save changes, right? I'm going to save changes. Awesome. Let's try and reload our site again. If the database error is just going to leave. Awesome. Can you see that our site has been configured and the database error is what is gone, right? So if you click on login right now, you can see that our login is working. If you click on sign up right now, and you see our sign up is working, and you can see we have perfect money, we have Bitcoin, we have Litecoin, we have Dash, we have Bitcoin Cash, we have Ethereum. It has a lot and a lot of wallet, right? It has a lot and a lot of wallet. That's one good thing about this. And you know, you can change anything you want to change right here. You can change this logo, right? You can change this logo. So you can just right click on this logo and say copy image address. So you right click on it and you say what, copy image address. So you put it on the browser right here, and you see the logo is on what, coinweb/assets/img/logo, then the name is what, logo.png. Can you see that? So you can replace anything you want to replace. You can replace this logo. All you need to do is just what, download this logo. So I can download this logo, save image as, right, put it on my document as logo. So I can download it as logo, right? Then I can, you know, I can design another logo, right? I can even take logo from here. Let me just open this. So you can see this logo. I can save this logo from here, and I'll say logo, right? So let me put it, let me put it in this folder. So I'll say logo. Can you see that? I'll say logo. I can put that logo right here, and I can replace that side logo with this logo. Okay, so let me try to replace that side logo with this logo so that you can understand what I'm saying. So let's look at the part home solution /conweb/assets/img/logo. So let's just go back there. Conweb assets, Conweb assets img. Then we have logo. Yeah, this is the right part, right? So this is the right part. So let's upload the file here again. Upload the file here. Then I'm going to click on that. Then I'll refresh that. Then I'm going to reload that. So I'm going to come here and say Control F5. So Control F5 means hard reset. Can you see that? /coin. Can you see that? So you can see that. So it has been replaced. Can you see that? That has been replaced automatically. So what of the name? Let's say so you want to change this name here to /coin. You want to change anything here. You want to change to whatever you want. Everything here can be changed, right? Everything here can be changed. So let's say let's change this webcoin to what? To /coin. So let's go back to our home page. So let's go back to Coinweb. Then you go back to your index page, right? So this is your index page. So right click, then you click on edit. So you just do Control F. Control F means find. So you just type web coin. Can you see that? Web coin limited. Can you see that? So from here now I can change it to what? /coins. Can you see that? So anywhere you see web coin, I can press this again, web coin. Can you see that? Web coin limited. I change it to /coin. Anywhere you see web coin, change it to what? /coin. Can you see that? Very easy. 2021. I'll type again web coin, then I press enter. So there's no web coin again, so I can just save this right here. Then I'll come here and I'll refresh this. You You see everything, what you're seeing here will be changed to Slatcoin. Just watch. Can you see that this has been changed to Slatcoin? So everything here has been changed to Slatcoin. So if I want to change my packages, let's say you see this on 5% daily for 50 days, I just copy this here and copy this. I just copy it and go back here and I'll search for it again. Can you see the 5% for 5% daily? So I can change it to what? 6%. Can you see that? So I'll click on save changes. So anything you want to change. So you see the 5% is going to change to 6% now. So I just refresh it. Can you see it has been changed to 6%? Can you see that? So anything you want, referral commission, just go there, just search for that thing that you want. Referral commission. If I click, copy this now and I come to index and put it here. Referral commission. Can you see that? It's going to show here. Can you see that? Edit this. So if you want to edit about us, just click on about us too, and you see the link to about us is what about.php. So you see this web coin here, it's showing here. I can just copy it, then I'll go back here and I'll look for about us. Look at it here. So just look for about, look at it about, I'll right click and click on what? Edit. So I'll say Control F, then type for web coin. Can you see that? Anywhere I see web coin, I put what? Maybe I see web coin, I put what? Slatcoin. So let me copy that. So maybe I see web coin again. So press web coin. I see that web coin, put Slatcoin. So invariably that's how you need to just change all of this. So if I refresh this now, you're going to see that it has been changed to Slatcoin. I see. So this is also web coin. So you can also keep looking for it. I see web coin. So I put Slatcoin. So I press enter one more time. I also see web coin here. Then I'll make it what? Slatcoin. Then I'm going to save that. So if I refresh that now, I'm going to see. Can you see that this has been changed to what? Slatcoin, right? That is changed to Slatcoin, and you can see this image here too. You can what? Copy image address and you paste here, and so you can see this image. So you can change anything. Invariably, you can change anything, right? So the next thing we are going to do now is what? We are going to what? Log into the admin panel. So how do we log into the admin panel? Now let me show you how to log in to the admin panel. So inside the file that I'll give you, you see a link. You see a TXT file called readme. So this is the readme. So if you open it, so this is the link to the admin panel. So just copy on this particular link. So let's put this particular link here. So let's put this link here. Can you see that? /admin/c2w signing. So, but you have to now put the link to your homepage. This is the link to the homepage of the website. So I'll put it in front of this link. Can you see that? So I'll make sure it's /, then I'll press enter. Can you see that? So this is the link to admin. Can you see that? This is the link to the admin. So how do you now get the email and password to admin, right? So let's go back to our PHP admin, which we created the other time. Can you see that? This is our PHP admin. So you click on admin. So when you click on admin, admin is going to load right here. Can you see that? So let's just scroll down to this way. So you see password. Can you see that? So this is the admin username and the admin password. So let's just edit this here. So you click on edit. Can you see that? So from this place right here, so you see the admin and username and password. So this is the admin username and password. Can you see that? And you can change this admin username and password. So I can say admin at webcoin.com. Can you see that? So I can also use this as a password. So I see that. So this is the WhatsApp link, right? This is the WhatsApp link, Telegram link, right? I was trying to show you the other time. So this is the Telegram link. Let's go back to the home page. If you go back to the home page, you're going to see that. So can you see this Telegram link here? So any link that you want to use for your Telegram link or whatever, so you have to change it from here. So you have to see the Telegram link here. So that's what you're seeing right here. So you can just change it. So I've changed the username and password, right? So I'm just going to click on what? Go. Awesome. So when you do that, it means what? The username and your password has been changed, right? Username and password has been changed. So let's try to log in. So this is my username and this is my password. So let's log in now. Awesome. Can you see that? we have been able to log in into our admin panel. Can you see that? This is so beautiful. So when you log into your admin panel, you have to now control the website from the admin panel. If I go to Telegram links through from the admin panel, you see the Telegram link, so you can change the Telegram link from here and you know, just do your thing. And first of all, just go to settings first. Let's go to settings. So here you have to change this link to your own link. So this is my own link. So you have to change to your own link, and so change that to your own link. So change it to your own admin email, right? So welcome to Slatcoin. Can you see that? Welcome to Slatcoin. Then you put it here. This is the year. Copyright here. And this 10 here means what? Minimum withdrawal. That means to say before anybody can withdraw, must have $10 before you can withdraw, right? So that is what you have to do here. So just do those configurations. Then you click on what? Update settings. Can you see that? All the settings will be updated. So just go back. If the settings is not updated, just go back to home page and go back to what settings page again. You will see that what all the settings have been changed, right? So let's go to Coinpayment right here. So we click on Coinpayment. Awesome. So you see what the public key and what the private key. So all you have to do is that means you need to have an account in Coinpayment, right? You need to have an account in Coinpayment so that you just put what the public key and the private key right here. But let's go back. Let's go to Perfect Money. Can you see that? So this is Perfect Money. So you need to have a member ID, your password, your payee name, and then your passphrase. All of this is available on Perfect Money, right? So when you register on Perfect Money, you are going to see all of this is available on Perfect Money. So you just have to create all of this and put the information right here. So let's go to requested transaction, right? So when you go to click on deposit orders, so anybody who makes deposit, you know, they come into what these deposit orders. Can you see that? So all of these are people who have made deposits, you know, and I can delete all of them. So you can see that I can delete all of them. So let's delete this. So let's delete this. And let's delete this. So let's delete this. So see that I've deleted all the deposit orders. Let's go to requested transaction again and go to withdrawal request. So every withdrawal request I can delete it. So I can delete this withdrawal request. Can you see that? I can delete it. So if I go to this place here, okay, let's go to investors management. Then you can view investors, which are your users. Anybody who register on your website, they're going to appear here. So let's go back to that investors management and then let's click on manage users. So you see all the users in the website. So I can also delete all the users, you know, that I have on the website. So let's say I don't want a particular user to be able to withdraw or exist on the website again. I can just go ahead and delete that particular user, right? So I want to delete all the users in this website right now. So don't also forget that you can edit the user. So let me just delete this one and this last one. I can click on edit. Can you see that? You can edit the user. Can you see that? You can edit the user. So you can edit them, but that's not what I want to do. So let me just leave that account, right? So you can go to manage packages, then you can click on view added packages. So you can see all of the packages showing on your website are all here. So if I click on manage packages, I can add more packages. Can you see that? I can add more packages. So here will be the package name, the daily percentage increase. How much do you want them to be making daily? Don't forget that this is automated. Anything you put here, if you say you want them to make 10% of their investment daily, then they will make 10% every single day. Then package duration, how many days do you want? Let me just put this on, let's say business plan, daily percentage, I want 10% increase. Can you see that? Package duration, I want it to run for what? For 5 days. Package price from how much? So the least somebody can invest in this is $1,000, right? Package price to the least that someone can invest in this is $20,000. Can you see that? Then I click on what? Add package. So when I click on add package, if I go back to manage package and click on view added package, I will see that package here. Can you see that package here? The package exists right here. And if I want to delete any package, I want to delete this package, I can click on delete and I will delete this package. Can you see that? That package has been deleted. And if I want to update a particular package, I can click on update. Can you see that? This is this particular package, and I can click on what? Update package after I've edited the package. So you can see that everything is very very smooth and beautiful. And I can go to security, then I can go to change password. So here you can change your admin password right here. Can you see that? So you can even go to counter right here and increase the number of count of people who are in your website, right? So now let's go ahead now and create an account on this side. So you can see that I have deleted all of this information. So now let's go ahead and create an account on this website. So let's go back here with our website. So let's just refresh our website. So I want to create an account on this website right now. So I'll click on sign up. So I enter my name, Brenda, username. So that's my username, my password. So enter my email, and I'll click on accept. So all of this, you can leave them, you can enter them, even in your profile, right? So you see that they are not compulsory field, so you don't need to enter them. So I'll click on what? Register. Awesome. I see that you have successfully registered. Kindly log in. So I'm going to log in now and with my username. So I click on login. Can you see that? Awesome. This is so beautiful. Can you see that? Can you see that? I've successfully logged in. Can you see that? This is so beautiful. Can you see that? So this is my, if I want to make deposit, I click on make deposit. Can you see that? See all my plans. Can see all the plans that I created on the website. Can you see that? These are all the plans that I created on the website. So I can click on make withdrawal if I want to make withdrawal. Can you see that? So I can make withdrawal. So if I want to enter my wallet details, so maybe I want to edit my Bitcoin. So I just click on edit Bitcoin. So can you see that? Brenda is my name. So this is my Bitcoin wallet address. So I can just put it. Then I'll click on what to update. Can you see that? Everything is cool. So I can also click on here to edit my account. I can also click here to see my timeline if I invited anybody to this site. So let's go back to my account area. Awesome. All right, so now I'm going to show you how you can now connect your Coinpayment wallet. Because this works with with Coinpayment API. So all you have to do is click on Coinpayment. So you click on Coinpayment. When you click on Coinpayment, it's going to ask you for your public key and your private key. That means you need to have an account in Coinpayment, right? You need to have an account in Coinpayment. So all you have to do is you just open account in Coinpayment. I heard Coinpayment does not allow some people in some countries to use their services, right? It allows some people in their countries to open account, right? But like me, I have an account, and then I open my account in Coinpayment using VPN, right? I put the account using VPN. So you can just go to Coinpayment. It's very easy. Coinpayment.com.net, and then open your account. Now, when you not open your account, you have to go to account. Then you go to API keys. Look at it there. So you go to API keys. So this is API keys here. From here, you see your public key. Can you see that? Public key. So you copy the public key. Copy the public key. So let's go back to our admin. You put the public key here. Then you copy the private key. So you put the private keys right here. So you click on update settings, right? So let's go back to home, and then let's go back to Coinpayment. So just make sure that this key is here. Also the same thing with Perfect Money. When you register on Perfect Money, you put your member ID, you put your password, you put your payee name, you put your payee account, then you put your payee name, then you put your passphrase, right? So when you register with Perfect Money. But for the purpose of this training, I'm just going to use this Coinpayment, right? I'm going to use this Coinpayment, right? So let's try to tell you. I log it back to my account, right? So I go back to my account. So this is my account area, right? So this is my account area. So now let me try to make a deposit right now. So I click on make a deposit. So which plan I want to make deposit to? I want to make deposit to plan 1, which is $10 to $1,000. So I click on this, and it's 5%. So you can go and edit that from the back end and just change that. So $10 to $1,000, right? So I'll say spend from Bitcoin, right? Spend from what? Bitcoin. So if you register with Coinpayment, and Coinpayment will help you collect this Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dash, and what? And Ethereum, right? It will help you collect that. So let me just put which plan did I choose just now? Plan 1, 10 2. So let me just put $500. Can you see that? So I click on what? Spend. So just see what's going to happen here, right? So it's going to bring this for me 5% daily for 50 days, 5% daily for 50 days. You see that? So I'll click on what? Proceed. Wow, can you see that? Can you see that? Automated. Can you see that? Automated. 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 So you say, please pay the amount of this Bitcoin. So this amount of this Bitcoin is equal to $500 to fund your wallet. So you have this amount of minutes to pay this money. Can you see that? So the user will just copy this, right? Can you see that? Look at the wallet, just copy the wallet and go and what? Make the payment straight. When he makes that payment straight, you are going to get the money in your Coinpayment account. Can you see that? So this Bitcoin wallet is generated automatically. All you need to do is just what? Enter your what? Your API. All you need to do is enter your API, right? And if the transaction fails, the user is going to get an email. If the transaction fails, the user is going to get API. So can you see that? Let me see. So okay, welcome to Slatcoin. So this is the registration email. You get. So can you see that? Once the transactions go through, automatically the investment will start count, right? The investment will start count, right? So let me just cancel this transaction. So then I'll click on go back, cancel the transaction, then I'll click on go back. So if the investment goes through, can you see that the investment is pending? So but if the investment goes through, right? If the investment goes through, you see this pending will automatically be changed to approved and the investment will start counting. All right, so that is how it works, guys. So you can see, so you can just edit and put your details, your coin details. So let's see. So let's say this is my perfect money account. So my perfect money account. So you just put all your details, right? You put all your details and you update your account. Now, one good thing about this site is this. Look at it. Now you know everything about the site is automated. So if you want to make withdrawal, let's click on withdrawal. If you want to make withdrawal, you are not going to see the withdrawal button here until you have funds to withdraw, right? You're not going to see the withdrawal button here until you have funds to withdraw. So once your account balance has any funds to withdraw, the withdrawal button will show, and immediately you click on withdraw, your funds will automatically be withdrawn to your wallet. So you can see it's a very, 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 very robust system, right? It's a very, very robust system that you are just going to enjoy. So everything is what is automated on this system. The reset password, everything is working so well, and it's very, very mobile responsive. All right, so like I said before, I'm going to give you access to get this script, right? So this script, I'll be giving out this script for just 30,000 naira if you're in Nigeria, and I'll be giving out for the international clients for just $70, right? I'll be giving out this script for just 30,000 naira, and for my international client, I'll be giving them for $70. So you see, this script took me a lot of time to do, and it's a PHP script. You can reuse this script anytime you want. You can re-edit it. You can change whatever you want to change on this script, and you can use it as much as you want to reuse this script and edit to your own using anytime for your new clients and all of that. So let me just log out of this and see the same thing. So you can also reset a password, right? You can also reset your password, right? You can also reset your password. So if I enter my email now and I click reset link, so let me go and check my email. Can you see that password reset? Can you see that password reset? So it's just going to bring up my password again, right? So you can see that the script is perfect. very perfect and the best script, one of the best script that I've ever done. So I'm giving you access for this script to download this script for the sum of 30,000 naira if you're in Nigeria, and if you are an international client, you're going to get this script for just $70, and that price is going to change very soon. I might change the price up to 100,000 naira because, as you can see, a lot of work has been done on this particular script that we actually did from scratch, right? So I want you to get access to this script now. Then if you need any solution, anything that has to do with programming, we are just here to deliver to you. Once again, my name is Ajayi Adebayo, and all I am here to do is to help you make life easy for you and help you make money. A lot of guys have been coming on to me, giving me a lot of testimonies, how my script have changed their life, how my tutorials have changed their life, how the stuff I do have changed their life, and yours is not going to be an exception. So once again, you are going to see the download link. Immediately you pay online, you can automatically download this script. But if you are doing a transfer or you're paying manually, you can chat me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number will be below this video and you can easily reach me. And if you have any issues, I am just here to be your guide. So thank you once more. My name is Ajayi Adebayo.